Hi, this is Jason from the QuickBooks team. When you use QuickBooks Payments, QuickBooks can automatically match your invoice payments and sales receipts to the correct deposit. Let's look at automatic matching and see how it affects the work you do in QuickBooks. Select Bookkeeping, Transactions. Note that your navigation might look like this. When you use QuickBooks Payments to process a payment from a customer, QuickBooks records the payment. Then later, when QuickBooks deposits the payments at your bank, it automatically matches the payment with the deposit. That way, QuickBooks applies the payments to the appropriate deposit, so you don't enter the same transaction more than once. Select Next. QuickBooks automatically matches your payments with their deposit from QuickBooks Payments, but you can still unmatch them or turn off the feature if needed. You'll see that later. Select Done. Let's see how your deposits appear in the transaction window. Select Categorized. When QuickBooks downloads a deposit for payments processed by QuickBooks Payments, you'll see that it was automatically matched. Select the transaction to see details, like which payments QuickBooks matched to it. If anything looks wrong, select Undo to send the deposit back to full review. If you ever want to turn off automatic matching, select Categorized, and then select Settings. From here you can turn the feature off. You can also filter your list of categorized transactions so that you only see deposits that QuickBooks automatically matched. Select the Filters drop-down, and select Automatic Match. Now you're ready to use automatic matching for QuickBooks Payments.